Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be guiding you on how to allow explicit songs on Spotify in this video. Let's get started. Open Spotify on your device first. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down to Playback. Here, toggle on the option for Allow Explicit Content. If you toggle it off, then you cannot play the songs that are labeled with E or have any swear words in it. And that is how to allow explicit songs on Spotify. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.